iPhone vs iPhone 12, key comparison and why you should buy. Processor. The iPhone 12 is powered by Apple's A14 Bionic processor, while the iPhone 13 features the newest and most powerful A15 Bionic chip inside. Both the A14 Bionic and A15 Bionic chips feature 6-core CPUs with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, but A15 processor found in iPhone 13 is the best processor for all smartphones. Note that iPhone 13 ships with iOS 15 out of the box, while iPhone 12 is based on iOS 14. Battery life. iPhone 12 battery, 2,815 mAh, last for 8+ hours, but iPhone 13 is 2 hours far better than iPhone 12. Approximately, it lasts for 10+ hours. Camera. Both iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 has 12MP wide f/1.6 with sensor shift and 12MP ultra wide f/2.4. The sensor shift image stabilization helps to improve the quality of image. This should enable longer exposures for low light photos, or fewer blurry ones, anyway, and might also help capture steadier video footage. Memory. The iPhone 12 is available in 3 memory configurations: 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB, all with 4GB of RAM. iPhone 13 starts from 128GB and it also comes in a 256GB and a 512GB configuration. On the other end of the spectrum, the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max have new 1TB options. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini are still a part of Apple's iPhone lineup, at reduced prices. iPhone 13 is top standard model iPhone with new camera features, battery and CPU are buff enough to handle all that work and if you want as much storage. But the iPhone 12 is still a great phone, and if your use case is more basic, it's the better fit. Its A14 Bionic is plenty fast, so don't worry about it, and I think iPhone 12 is still a solid choice for you, and that is why Karen is still using iPhone 12. Unless you need the very latest, and if so, you've probably bought the iPhone 13 Pro.